So this is how we use the earth resistance tester. First we test with earth voltage. Okay, summary first. So now we have 4 ohms. So this is the principle. First, you test if there is voltage. It's okay. And then you connect this. This is the ground I'm testing. It's very short, by the way. And after 5 meters, the yellow goes here. This is how it is. And the red goes here. Another 5 to 10 meters. Same thing. I was testing earlier and the batteries were not connected sufficiently. So this is just a 1 meter stick. Even with that short stick, the manual says the earth voltage should be less than 10 volts. So there is 0 volts. Earth voltage is like you have power here and you don't have power there, and there is potential difference. So there should be light here when I press. So it's about 4 ohms. I press it a little bit deeper. Three ohms. I pull it up. I just plug it halfway, 1/3. So this is low ground. The deeper it is, the less the resistance. I think that for telco, it's supposed to be less than 5 ohms. That's it.